Michael, the Gonzalez family is clearly one of those families that are ready to go to battle, if you will. You know, there's different people have different reactions. Steve especially is very keen on making his presence felt, and that strategy of trying to fill the courtroom and make Kohlberger feel uncomfortable. Is that something you've encountered before? I mean, there are different reactions, right? Because this is a horrible process that all of these individuals for all four of these families are going through.
This is going to have a dramatic impact on the jury, right? So this isn't really just for the cameras or for the media or anything like that. There's going to be a jury that's going to have to decide this case if, in fact, this case goes to trial, right? And so their presence in the courtroom is going to be palpable. It's going to be known. It's going to be felt by the jury. It's actually going to have a negative effect for the defendant. I'm not saying he deserves more. He might not. But their presence is going to make the jury feel very uncomfortable, and it's going to make the jury feel like it's going to be an impact against the defendant, right? At the end of the day, this is the unfortunate thing about our system. This is the beautiful thing about our system, which is that you see this gag order. People want to talk about this case. People want to try this case before it's actually tried. And so I could see the judge's wisdom behind putting this gag order. It's uncomfortable for us because we want to talk about the case. We want to know a little bit more about the case. But this is exactly why, because he saw that the family members are going to go out there without a gag order. They are going to basically let everybody in the country know that this person murdered their beautiful, sweet kids. And the case is going to be over before it actually progresses. So it's unfortunate. You see the pictures of these, you know, these beautiful kids. They were robbed of their lives. If in fact this defendant did it, he deserves the worst. But what the judge is trying to do is try to say, listen, there's a process, there's a system, we have to go through it. I understand everybody wants red meat, but we've got to go through this system. And so I need everybody to just calm down. If they're in this courtroom and they make an actual dramatic impact and they yell, they scream, they're going to be out of that courtroom. So we're going to see what happens.